Creating menu groups is particularly useful if you wish to use our interactive digital menus solution. If you opt into this, under your site, you will have access to a QR code. This QR code can be downloaded as an image. You also have access to a URL link. Scanning the QR code on a smartphone or clicking the link will take your customers directly to your menus. Here you will see the menu groups as created in Cafoodle Kitchen. If we click into them, you will see that the menus which were selected to live underneath the group are here. You can scroll through them or click to jump between them. These menus are interactive because your customers have access to food preferences. Here they can select things such as tags to include, particular allergens to avoid, nutritional profile to select via a slider, or even a specific ingredient to avoid. If, for example, a customer suggests an allergen they would like to avoid, here on the menus, any dish containing said allergen will now be highlighted in red, and the allergen information will be highlighted in red as well. Our interactive menus can also include pre-order and payment functionality. If you opt into this, your customers will be able to select from the menu items they wish to purchase and add them to a basket. Once they have added all of the items that they would like to purchase, they can go to the basket, add a collection date and time, their name and email address, and then continue to payment. In here they will prepay via card, and the order will automatically be sent through to your kitchen.